Hey there to all you future doctors, nurses, and healthcare heroes. Have you been dreaming about wearing that white coat, but the road to get there just feels, well, blocked? What if I told you there's a smarter, much more direct path to making that dream a reality? Let's jump right in. You know, having a passion for healthcare is an amazing thing. But let's be real. Sometimes it feels like you're standing at the bottom of a huge mountain. You've got these stressful exams, sky-high costs, and insane competition. It's enough to make anyone feel discouraged. But I promise you, you're not alone, and there is a better way.
Okay, so let's just lay it all out. On one hand, you have the traditional path. You know the one. It's paved with high-stress exams, costs that can empty a bank account, and just a relentless competitive race. But what if you could just step onto a different path, a smarter one? Imagine this: no entrance exams, tuition you can actually afford, and a straightforward application.
So what is this secret smart path? Where is it? Well, that brilliant plan B has a name: Turkey. Yep, you heard me right. Turkey is this incredible hub of opportunity that basically just removes all those frustrating roadblocks standing between you and your dream career.
Now, this is the part that is a total game changer. The single biggest advantage. I'm going to say it again because it's that important. You can forget all those sleepless nights cramming for exams like the SAT or YÖS. The only thing you need to unlock the door to these universities is something you already have: your high school diploma. That's it. Seriously.
So, here's how it breaks down. You've basically got two main options. This amazing exam-free admission, that's your ticket into Turkey's top-tier private universities. It's the fast track to your career. Now, there are also state universities, which are a bit more economical, but they typically will ask you to take an entrance exam like the TR YÖS. So, you've got choices, and it all comes down to what's best for you.
Okay, so no exam stress. That sounds fantastic. But I know what you're probably thinking. What's the catch? Is the education actually good? And what about the cost? Well, get ready, because this is where the story gets even more exciting. Turkey is proof that you don't have to choose between quality and affordability. You get both.
And we're not just talking about sitting in a lecture hall reading textbooks. Not at all. From day one, you are in the middle of the action. You'll be working in modern, high-tech labs, practicing your skills in super realistic simulation clinics, and getting real, hands-on training in major hospitals. The goal is simple. You graduate completely prepared to step right into your career.
And now for the numbers. Just look at this. The difference is wild. In Europe, average annual tuition can hit around 40,000 euros. That's more than 43,000 US dollars. But in Turkey, you could study medicine for around $13,000 a year. Dentistry, that starts from about 10,000. And other crucial programs like nursing or physiotherapy, they can start as low as $3,000. This isn't just saving money. It is the smartest investment you can make in your future.
And look at all the options. It's not just one or two fields. Whether you see yourself saving lives as a doctor, crafting perfect smiles in dentistry, exploring the science of pharmacy, or providing essential care in nursing, physiotherapy, or nutrition, there's a path waiting for you in Turkey.
So you've done the work, you've graduated. What happens next? This might be the best part. Because that degree you earn in Turkey, it's not just a piece of paper. You can think of it literally as your global career passport.
And the magic behind this is something called the Mavi Diploma, or the Blue Diploma. So what does that mean? It's actually pretty simple. Turkey is part of the Bologna process, which is the system that unifies higher education across Europe. For you, this means your degree is automatically recognized and valid all across Europe and in many, many other countries worldwide.
I mean, just stop and think about what that unlocks. You could finish your exams on a Friday and be applying for a job in Germany or Italy or France on Monday. The borders for your career, they basically disappear. You can build an amazing life in Turkey, or you can take your skills and degree anywhere you want to go. You are in complete control.
Okay, I can practically hear you thinking, this is amazing. Where do I start? Great question. It's time to take that first step. But before we do, I have to give you a really important heads up. These spots, these quotas, they are limited. And I'm not kidding when I say they fill up incredibly fast. If you wait, you could miss out entirely.
The good news is, getting started couldn't be easier. It's just 3 simple steps. First, just scroll down to the description right below. Second, find the link and fill out the super short, totally free pre-registration form. And third, if you have any questions at all, just ask. Use the links to get in touch with our expert advisors.
Of course you have questions, and our advisors are right here, ready to help. You can message them instantly on WhatsApp. Just use the number you see on your screen or click the link in the description. We are here to guide you through every single step.
So let's just put it all together. No exam stress, affordable tuition, world-class hands-on training, and a diploma that opens doors across the globe. The future that you have been dreaming about isn't some far-off fantasy. It's real, and it's waiting for you in Turkey. So the only real question left is, are you ready to go build it? If the answer is yes, everything you need is right down in the description. The free pre-registration link, our WhatsApp contact, and even a 24/7 chatbot for help in any language. Go ahead, click that link and take the first step today.